ya Kenya neri ya India nigo bonagenda tukobeka emiroberio yokwenekia bonango ikirana bare okoigwana gokobwaterana ase chinsemo AOAO ase obonchoreria ogokinia uchumi nabo igokwenekia emiroberio AOAO kogenderere aya nkorengana no mwaziri omonene aiga Kenya oyobo igoro mwaziri otendeta amangana ichinse chesiko musalia MUDAVADI otebire buna chinkwane chiga nigo chiachagetiwe mapema omwaka oiga ekera negetie taro yae ochiase enseria ya India otebire serikali ensi ya Kenya neigorete amaboko chiase ababwatani kurwa sense ya India kobwaterana okinyo bokoreri bwa bananchi bechinse chibe.
All I want to say is that we value our partnership. Not too long ago, I was in India, and there was this very big world-known convergence of ideas, India's critical think tank, the Raisina. I had the opportunity to meet with Prime Minister Modi and also have a bilateral conversation with the Foreign Minister, Jaishankar. And we talked about so many things. And one of the things that we now want to pursue after the conversation, the Minister Jaishankar said that perhaps it's time that Kenya and India went a notch higher and discuss a free trade agreement. Because we've been cooperating, now we have conversations of a trade agreement with the European Union, a trade agreement with the CEPA, with the United Arab Emirates. We are now talking of a bilateral trade agreement with the United States. We have the preferential trade agreement with China, with Africa under the FOCAC arrangement. And it is now time that we can have a conversation. In fact, it's long overdue to have a financial trade agreement with India so that we can amplify the trade and long-standing ties we have had between our two nations. So this is one of the things we hope to pursue and to reassure you that your contribution, your support to the economy, well-being, job creation, investment, technology transfer in this country is absolutely critical.
Very encouraged and happy to see the representation at the highest levels from the Kenyan government on such an important occasion. None other than Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary of Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Affairs among us on this very, very auspicious occasion. Excellency, we value the support and patronage of the government of Kenya to allow the Indian community, the Indian Kenyan community to further its traditions and customs. And I must tell you that they are maintaining the Indian traditions and customs in a beautiful way. I think what you see today, I think there is no better way than to preserve our culture, traditions and customs. And we are really, really appreciative of the government of Kenya for allowing them to do so, for assimilating within the society of Kenya and for being a part of the